Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I do my long-lasting wash and go using maximum hydration. I think this wash and go will last me about 5 or 6 days, and I also think hydration is very important because you want to reveal your curl pattern, and the way to do that is to hydrate your hair. These are the products that I have used: Aztec clay, leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, curling cream gel, and water. So I have already detangled my hair under the shower, and I have on my hair the Aztec clay mask. The Aztec clay mask is a very good way to cleanse your hair because it is negatively charged, so it's very detoxing. It also helps to raise the hair cuticle, so it's very good for low porosity hair. After rinsing off the clay mask and deep conditioning with heat, I put in my leave-in conditioner, and now I am going to use my styling products. First I'm going to add water. After that I'm going to put in the curling cream. This is a moisturizing cream, and it also will define my curls. As you can see, I am using the praying hands method, and I am raking the product through my hair. That is very important because raking it through and using the prayer hands method will help to clump the curls together, so it will set better this way. Okay, so with the wash and go, you want to use a lot of water. I can't say it enough. You want to use a lot of water. Water will reveal your true curl pattern. You know, it's all about setting the curls, and especially when you're low porosity, you want your hair to be wet. You want your hair to be wet so that you can set it that way. With low porosity, it's difficult because it's very difficult to actually moisturize, to actually hydrate those strands, but you have to make sure that your hair is saturated. Okay, so now I'm going in with the gel. As you can see, I'm just smoothing the gel over my hair. I'm trying to make sure that none of the product comes off of my hair when putting this gel in. And I just keep raking it through again. So as you can see, there's still some frizz, you can see it over here. There's still some fuzziness and some frizziness going on. So what you want to do then, because you don't want to let it dry like that because it will dry frizzy. All those frizz, it will dry frizzy. So you will have to put in some more water and then put in some more gel and just rake it through again. You want your curls to be as defined as possible. So I am almost done styling my hair, and I want to show you guys one more time how I do it. So it's basically just putting in the curling cream after, of course, I have put in leave-in conditioner. Using a lot of water, and when you put in the gel, just smooth it on your hair and use the prayer hands method and the raking method to clump the curls together. Okay, as you can see, I am done styling my hair, so now it's time to dry my hair. A lot of people use a hooded dryer to dry their wash and goes, but I have found blow drying my hair gives me more volume on the first day of my wash and go, and it also gives me more stretch and more hair movement. I am using the blow dryer on a medium setting, and as you can see, I am trying to blow in between. I am trying to blow the air in between the curls, so I'm trying to blow dry it in the direction I want my hair to fall in, and I am blow drying between the curls. And the blow drying between the curls, I do this to get the best hair movement result, because you are drying every curl individually, you know. As you can see, water is literally dripping inside of my eye, so I do not have any concerns about heat damage, because it's not the same as, you know, like using a flat iron or anything, because it's actually just a tool to help you dry your wet hair. You know, hair that's wet, it's not going to be heat damaged, you know. So it's just a tool to dry your hair. So this is my end result. Yeah, my hair is about 90% dry. I still have some white residue in my hair, but this will just go away when my hair dries up completely. And as you can see, my hair has a lot of definition, a lot of volume, a lot of stretch and movement, everything we need. And for sleeping, I use this pineapple method. Gives me stretch, and it makes sure my hair doesn't get tangled. Okay, so that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe if you think anything was even at all useful.